Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best HyperX Cloud Mic is probably one of the most sought-after upgrades for gamers and streamers who demand crisp, clear audio communication, but replacing it can be tricky if you don't know the right steps. This video will guide you through a step-by-step process of replacing your HyperX Cloud microphone, ensuring you get the most out of your headset and avoid any potential damage during the replacement process. We'll cover everything from selecting the right replacement part to troubleshooting common issues, so you can get back to gaming or streaming with superior sound quality in no time. Number 5. HyperX Cloud Mic Replacement. Is your HyperX Cloud headset microphone malfunctioning? This replacement boom ensures crisp, clear audio for all your gaming needs. Enjoy enhanced sound quality without breaking the bank. It's designed for specific HyperX Cloud models, including Cloud, Cloud 2, first version, and Cloud X. Make sure to check the images to confirm compatibility with your headset before purchasing. This replacement microphone is built with high-quality materials for lasting performance. The flexible boom ensures comfortable positioning and won't affect your voice quality. Simply replace your old microphone with this new one. The secure connection ensures a stable fit, so you can focus on your game. It works perfectly with PS4, Xbox One, Nintendo Switch, PC, and more. It's the perfect solution for gamers on any platform. The package includes one 3.5mm gaming microphone with a foam cover. Headsets are not included. This is a high-quality replacement, not an OEM product. We stand behind the quality of our product. If you encounter any issues, please contact us for assistance. We're here to help. What we like. It's a great replacement for your old HyperX Cloud headset microphone. If your HyperX Cloud headset mic is broken or missing, this is a perfect choice. It offers good quality and noise cancellation, ensuring clear communication during your games and streams. What people say. Used on my aging HyperX Cloud 2 headset, looks like the original and I couldn't tell the difference, works great. Was able to tape down the mic so it wasn't loose, and the sound works perfectly fine despite the shape incompatibility. Sound is just as good as the original mic the headphones came with. I was pleasantly surprised by the quality of the replacement microphone. It was a great fit perfectly onto my headset. Right away, I noticed a significant improvement in the sound quality of my microphone. The static and background noise were virtually eliminated, and my voice came through much clearer and crisper. Number 4. HyperX Cloud Alpha Mic Replacement. Is your HyperX Cloud Alpha headset microphone damaged or missing? This replacement boom mic is here to help. It's easy to install and get back to gaming. It features noise cancellation to ensure crystal clear communication. Enjoy superior audio quality during your gaming sessions. This replacement mic is designed for simple plug-and-play functionality. Just plug it in and you're ready to go. It boasts a flexible, 360-degree bendable steel hose for optimal positioning. It's built to last, ensuring long-term use. At 5.9 inches or 15 centimeters, it's the perfect size. The 3.5mm gold-plated plug guarantees a secure connection. This microphone is compatible with HyperX Cloud Alpha and Cloud Alpha S gaming headsets. It's the perfect solution to restore your headset's functionality. The foam cover on the microphone enhances noise cancellation, reducing background noise for clearer communication. Experience improved audio quality. What we like. This replacement mic is specifically designed for the HyperX Cloud Alpha headset. Its flexible boom allows for easy positioning, and it's plug-and-play, making setup a breeze. If you need a simple, reliable replacement for your Cloud Alpha, this is it. What people say. This mic was the most inexpensive and works perfect with my HyperX Alpha headset. This one sounds just as great as the original mic. Work exactly as it should. Number 3. TNE HyperX Cloud Mic Replacement. Before replacing your microphone, ensure it's the correct model. This mic is designed for HyperX Cloud headsets manufactured before 2021. Check for the slanted end and oval port on your headset. This replacement microphone is custom-made for your HyperX Cloud headset. It's compatible with the first edition of Cloud, Cloud X, Cloud Core, and Cloud 2 wired headphones from 2020 and earlier. It won't fit newer models or wireless versions. Inside the box, you'll find one 3.5mm gaming microphone with a foam cover. It's a cost-effective alternative to the original part, providing great sound quality at a lower price. Enjoy clear and crisp audio with this microphone. Its noise-canceling capabilities and 360-degree bendable design ensure optimal sound quality and placement. It's the perfect length for convenient use. This is a 6-inch, 360-degree bendable steel microphone with a condenser omnidirectional noise-canceling feature and a foam cover. It's designed for optimal performance and comfort. If it doesn't fit or work, don't worry. Contact us through Amazon Messages. We're here to assist you with any compatibility or setup issues you may encounter. What we like. This is a budget-friendly replacement for your older HyperX Cloud headset. It's specifically designed for pre-2021 models and provides enhanced voice clarity. If you're on a budget but still want a quality replacement, this is a great option. What people say. The microphone does its job, does it well, and holds the same quality of sound that the factory-supplied microphone does. The voice quality, both in playback to myself and when in calls or chats with others, has been noted as being just as good as the factory-issue microphone. The little foam boom filter seems to be a bit more easily adjusted than the HyperX Cloud 2 standard issue mic, good for if it gets pushed out of place by this or that and needs to be fixed back to its normal position. Also, while it's been a long time since first getting the headset, the firmness and strength of the, adjustable wire, cable, thing, connecting mic to headset actually seems a bit firmer than the factory issue. Number 2. HyperX Cloud Flight Replacement Mic. Experience superior audio clarity with this replacement microphone. Its noise-canceling capabilities ensure your voice is heard loud and clear, even in noisy environments. Designed for Kingston HyperX Cloud Flight and Flight S headsets, it's the perfect replacement for a damaged or missing microphone. Enjoy a perfect fit and flawless functionality. Built with high-quality materials, including an anti-oxidation gold-plated copper connector and a durable ABS head, it's designed for long-lasting performance. It's a reliable and sturdy replacement. Simply plug it into your headset's 3.5mm jack and you're ready to go. It's a quick and easy fix for any microphone issues. Enjoy immersive gaming and streaming with its powerful noise cancellation and crystal clear sound. It enhances your audio experience without affecting the bass. The package contains one 3.5mm replacement microphone. Please note that this is not an OEM product, but a high-quality alternative. What we like. This mic is perfect if you own a HyperX Cloud Flight or Flight S headset. It provides crystal clear audio and is built to last. If you value high-quality sound and durability, this is the replacement for you. What people say. Excellent quality. No issues swapping from the old, broken one to this one. Fits perfectly. Mic works fine. Sound quality is good. Lost my original mic so needed a replacement. HyperX never has it in stock so I decided to give this one a try. To be honest, you can't tell the difference between both, fits exactly as the original one and none of my Discord buddies have complained about any sound quality issues. Number 1. HyperX Cloud Replacement Mic. Is your HyperX headset mic broken or lost? This replacement offers pristine audio quality for gaming and streaming. It's easy to install and provides crystal clear sound. This mic is designed for pre-2021 wired HyperX Cloud 2, Cloud X, and Cloud Silver headsets. Please double-check the compatibility before purchasing. It's not compatible with all HyperX models. Experience clear, crisp audio with this replacement microphone. It minimizes noise interference, ensuring your voice is heard loud and clear in any environment. It's built with high-quality materials, including a flexible boom arm and a gold-plated 3.5mm connector. It's a durable and reliable replacement for your headset. The 6.1-inch boom arm is perfectly sized and 360-degree bendable, ensuring optimal placement. The included foam cover further reduces background noise. This aftermarket microphone is a perfect, affordable solution to replace a broken or missing mic on your HyperX headset. Simply plug it in and enjoy improved audio. What we like. This replacement microphone is ideal for pre-2021 HyperX Cloud headsets. It delivers clear audio and has the perfect length for convenient use. If you need a reliable and well-fitting replacement, this is a great choice. What people say. This replacement mic does about all you can ask of it. It picks up sound just fine and fits the slot on the headset. It definitely does its job, and is almost the same thing. Resolved my mic problem, as per described, good quality, works great. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.